You want to perform cross-flow filtration trials and have selected ceramic membrane filtration for its robustness and high performance. Wise choice. Now you're looking for the right pilot unit to conduct your development work. Novasep offers 3 ceramic filtration pilot units to provide extensive coverage of trial needs, together with a variety of services at all stages of development. Let's look in more detail to our pilot unit range. The Kerasep pilot, using 1 laboratory-sized Kerasep membrane, is the perfect tool to perform qualitative evaluations of the filtration process and produce small volumes of samples. You can try a variety of cutoff sizes and compare the difference in composition and quality between the permeate and retentate streams. However, this small pilot will not provide you with scalable information on yield and productivity. For that, we need to jump to the next size in the family. The KO1 pilot, using 1 or 2 industrial-sized Kerasep membranes, is used to generate qualitative and quantitative performance data, enabling the sizing of an industrial system. It operates using the exact membranes that will be used in an industrial scale system. Finally, the KO7 pilot, using 7 Kerasep membranes, provides larger scale data validation and is often used in demo units or for small scale production. Now let's take a closer look at the components of the KO1 pilot. The stainless steel tank holds and buffers feed and cleaning solutions. From the tank, the feed product flows to the feed pump, whose job it is to provide the working pressure inside the filtration loop. The feed then flows to the circulation loop through the circulation pump. The circulation pump provides the right flow velocity inside of the loop to enable effective filtration. The filtration module contains 1 Kerasep membrane, and it's located within the filtration loop. At this point, the feed product is separated inside the membrane into 2 parts, the retentate and the permeate. The retentate is the portion of the feed that stays within the membrane channels and is recirculated throughout the filtration loop. The retentate moves up and down through this heat exchanger to maintain stable temperature within the loop, and afterwards, a portion of the retentate goes back into the feed tank. The KO1 pilot is equipped with instruments and controllers, pressure transmitter, temperature transmitter, flow meters, and speed controllers to effectively control the operations and to measure performance. Now let's see how easy it is to use our KO1 pilot unit. Once your feed tank is full of product and your manual valves are set in the proper position, you can turn on the feed pump by pressing the on-off switch. You have to wait for the unit to be completely filled with product before continuing. You can then start the circulation pump by pressing the on-off switch and adjusting the pump speed to the correct pressure drop across the membrane module. Now the system is running. Continue by adjusting the transmembrane pressure by opening the permeate valve. Testing different membranes is very easy by simply removing the module from the pilot unit and installing a new membrane. As you can see, operating our KO1 pilot unit is simple, and it can reproduce the exact operating conditions found at the industrial scale. But collecting the relevant and optimal data for sizing an industrial unit is more complex than that. You can watch our series of tutorials on that subject or contact our Novasep filtration specialist to help you organize your piloting trials.